Now we are going to solve part B again with the same rules that we have discussed earlier, but in this question you can see there are two type of bracket. One is the square bracket and the other one is the round bracket. So by applying the BODMAS rule, there is a confusion which bracket we will solve first. So always remember that the square bracket is more senior than the round bracket, so we'll always solve square brackets first. Here inside a square bracket there is a round bracket, so we will solve this bracket first. So in order to solve it, negative negative plus becomes positive, so we will rewrite it as minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Now we can see that according to the rules we have defined earlier, the denominators are not same, so we will take the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. According to the rules, now we have taken the LCM in order to same the denominator. Now the next step is to convert the fraction into its respective equivalent fractions. Now we will convert minus 1 by 4 into its equivalent fraction. How we'll do that? We will find the number with whom we will multiply and get the answer 12, which is the LCM. So we know that 4 multiplied 3 is 12, so we will multiply 3 with the denominator as well as with the numerator. By multiplying 3 with 1, we will get minus 3. 4 3s are 12. This sign, negative sign, will come as it is. So the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4 will be 3 by 12, and then we will solve. Now we will convert this fraction 1 by 3 into its equivalent fraction. Now we have to find the number with whom we will when multiply we will get the answer 12, which is the answer of LCM. So we know that 3 4s are 12, so we'll multiply 4 both with the denominator as well as with the numerator. So 4 1s are 4.